loves, welcome back to another hair tutorial. This is more so like a review because I'm going to be trying the new Palmer's length retention system while doing my favorite go-to hairstyle now, which is the wet look. So this is the Palmer's cocoa butter formula, so I'm going to give you guys a little unboxing before we get into it. And I loved how this was packaged, so shout out to Palmer's and special thanks to them because they really just showed out on this packaging. But we have the styling nectar, which is like a gel, and then we have the cocoa butter and biotin shampoo and the cocoa butter and biotin conditioner. And then along with that, we have the cocoa butter and biotin cream styler, which is going to be my favorite product in this entire look, but you'll see later. And then the leave-in conditioner, the shine glaze serum, and a two-step hair mask. And all these products can be found at your local Sally Beauty. So just to show you guys the cute little pouch that was also in this, super cute. I'm going to keep this. Great for little makeup bag too. But anyway, I shampooed and washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and I like to start off with bare hair just to show you guys how well this was making my hair in terms of it being detangled but also not dry. Like, it's already somewhat defined without me putting any product in it just yet, which is a key sign that the product will most likely do well in my hair, which it did, which you will see in the end. So I'm going to section off my hair into 4 sections. And just to give you guys an in-depth review, in terms of me using a leave-in conditioner, I really opt for things that are on the creamy side. Although this was in a spray bottle, it still had that creamy consistency. I personally don't like to spray it directly on my hair. I did end up spraying it into my hands and then applying it onto my hair. And when I apply it onto my hair, I like to go in smoothing patterns. So, you know, the whole praying hands method, just making sure it's all throughout that entire section. Now, I did that to all 4 sections, and then I'm going to go in with the cream styler. Now, this cream styler was more so the consistency I wanted in a leave-in conditioner, but for it to be my styler, this was absolutely perfect. And by the way, all of these products are silicone-free formulas with color fade protection and quinoa protein and biotin infused. So now I'm going to go in with my Denman brush and detangle my hair. Now, this is me prepping it for my wet look. I do have an in-depth video on my wet look, but this is like my go-to style. I just feel like you cannot fail with it, especially with my curl pattern growing in pretty nicely. I know I have a few damaged pieces still left in the front, but you know, it's growing out slowly but surely. And I like to just section it off and make sure I apply my products first. Now, when I think about length retention styles, I love going for styles that is very, very low maintenance. So for me, the wet look has been my go-to style lately. It doesn't have that much tension like a, you know, slick back ponytail or a bun would have. It's free flowing and it's out of my face, and it's just very convenient for me because it is able to last me a good 3 to 5 days. So it's perfect. And now that my curl pattern is kind of growing in, it looks really nice. Now, I did try to go in and define my curls with the styling nectar, which is the gel in this collection. However, for my hair texture, it wasn't the strongest hold for me, but I did find usage in it for an edge control. So if you want to opt out of edge control, you can definitely use this on your edges. It definitely gave me a nice hold for my edges, I will say. Now, whatever gel or styling product you use for your wet look, definitely make sure you do a product test in your hand before applying it to your hair. For me, I was glad that my particular gel that I like to use was able to mesh really well with the cream styler and leave-in conditioner, and I left my hair very moisturized and very soft afterwards. So I'm taking my Impressions of Beauty silk satin scarf. I'm going to tie that around my hair, and now I'm going to show you guys my key trick into this look. I like to sit under the hairdryer. So you can go to sleep like this and, you know, leave it like this if you want, or just kind of walk around the house if you have time. But if you're getting ready to go to bed, I do like to lift up this scarf a little bit to have the hair exposed. And then I like to sit under the dryer. And for me, my hair pretty much dries in about a good 30 to 45 minutes on high heat. And this is how it looks, you guys. Like, my curls were literally popping. And then I'm taking the cocoa butter and biotin shine glaze serum, and I'm going to rub that all over my hair. This is kind of like breaking the gel cast in a sense, so I just like to spread that all over. It gave it a phenomenal shine, and when I tell y'all the product smells so good, like I am cocoa butter down, literally. But this product combination was definitely a great one, definitely something that's going to stay in my stash. And this is what I do in terms of a glow manipulation style. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.